What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another clip of the Blue Phoenix Entertainment weekly vlog. Alright, so I am about pissed level 8 out of 10 with my dog right now, and I just wanna wallop him really good. But I don't. I just shove him around right now because I'm that angry with him every time he comes galloping in like, hey ho! And so I angrily push him away and I shove him away and get the hell away from me! Because, let's go find out what he did. There's him hiding because he knows he's in a lot of trouble. Don't you, buddy? Don't you, little jerk? Well, there's a hint about what he did. Let's pan up here. He tore up every single comic that I have, with the exception of like 3 left. I've been collecting these comics for years. He got to the Xbox One controller. He got to the Wii U controller. Got to the N64 games. And he got to the Diablo, my Diablo collectible that I have very much valued for a long time. He also got to my artwork. One of my most valuable pieces. Or sentimentally valuable. I'm not sure what else he's managed to get to just yet. But I'm certain there's more. So yeah, my destructive, inconsiderate dog that only obeys commands when he wants something like treats or food or inside, or when I grab his face and make him look at me because he's that he can't focus that much. Pretty much destroyed almost the most sentimental stuff that I own to me. It makes me feel like I can't keep anything of value outside of my room or out in the open now, because he can just get to it and destroy it all. Ryan, he's just in his room blaming me for it all. Like, I mean, I'm not even blaming him, but he's just sitting there blaming me for everything. He thinks it's time for us to get rid of Titan. I'm not going to get rid of him. But I don't know what to do. So any advice, let me know. I mean, I get that dogs are destructive. There's got to be something to do about this, though. What he does is he's chasing the cat. I think the only solution might be to get rid of one of the two.